When it comes to DTF, you need supplies you can trust, and Buckets of Ink has you covered. From industry-leading DTF printers to vibrant, long-lasting DTF inks, we stock everything you need to print with confidence. Our premium adhesive powders deliver strong, consistent bonds, and our full lineup of films, cleaning solutions, and maintenance supplies keeps your production running smooth. Whether you're a small shop or a high-volume decorator, Buckets of Ink gives you the performance, durability, and color results your customers expect. Level up your DTF game with the best gear, the best service, and the pros who actually know printing. Buckets of Ink, your trusted DTF supplier.